Hey guys, today I'm gonna do a little clean with me. So what I have to do today is clean my bathroom, clean my room, do my laundry, and then I also go to work and I clean somebody's house. But, you know, I kind of have to do that. And then I also have to eat food. But today you're just gonna come with me and see what I do on a Sunday clean day, because I usually just clean on Sundays because that's my only rest day. Well, actually Saturday I rest, Sunday I clean. So yeah, let's go. I'm gonna go get some food. Okay, whatever. I made myself a coffee and it's good. It's good. It's 10:16, which means we have about like 45 minutes. Well, actually more like 50 minutes until I have to go to work. Let's see how much we can get done. I'm also gonna change. Okay, here is the outfit. I think I'm gonna wait till after work to clean my bathroom, but I'm going to dust in here and then I'm just gonna hang out until I have to go because I'm tired. Okay, and it's only 10:30 a.m. so that's a sign. It is now, I think it's 11. Let's check the time. 10:57. I'm kind of done with this. I just went through and cleaned all the surfaces. So now I'm going to just chillax for like 10 minutes and then go to work, and then I'll see you guys after. So, see you there. Goodbye. Okay, I'm back. It is now like 2:30. I'm gonna fold some clothes and give myself a little break, maybe eat some food, and then I'll clean my bathroom. Okay, I just finished putting away my first load of laundry. My whites are still in the dryer, but I think I'm gonna make some food. I ate at like 10, so 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. It's been like 5 hours, so I mean, I'm not super hungry, but I think it might help get my energy up. And then I'll clean my bathroom, and then I have something at 4 o'clock. After I clean my bathroom, I think that's it for my cleaningness. So yeah, let's go. It is now 3:20. I'm gonna finish folding my last load of laundry, and then I think I'm gonna vacuum my floor and throw my sheets and comforter into the wash. So yeah, more cleaning. So I have a little extra time, so I think I'm gonna try and iron a pair of pants that I have. I'm a little nervous, but hopefully it will make them better because I seem to have shrunk, but I think it's just because they need some ironing. So I finished ironing those pants and I fixed them, so that's good. I think I've done about everything that I need to do, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this maybe inspired you. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.